Growing your own food is nowhere near as complicated or expensive as we are taught to believe. In this video, I'll be showing y'all how I got my chickpea plant started. Now, it is moving a little fast, so I will put everything that I did in the caption and why I did it. But the main key I want to highlight for this entire series is accessibility. You do not need a huge amount of space to do this, or a whole bunch of money. I got my seed starting mix from Home Depot for $8. These seed starting trays I got for free from my local farm, but they had a whole pack of them at Home Depot for $4. And you can find dried garbanzo beans at any grocery store. I germinated my chickpeas by placing them in a moist paper towel and then placing that paper towel into a plastic bag for 3 days. Once I had all my materials, I moistened my seed starting mix to give it a little bit of extra structure. Soil health is absolutely key when it comes to growing anything. Once you have proper soil health and structure, everything else is literally just maintenance. I promise it's not as hard as it's not that hard, y'all, I promise. So I filled all my seed trays with the starting mix, put in all my garbanzo beans, labeled them, which is very, very important. Covered them up with dirt because nothing grows without being planted, life lesson, and watered them again. Once everything was set, I took some plastic wrap and wrapped it around everything to give it that greenhouse effect. That is crucial when it comes to starting new seeds, especially if you don't germinate them first like I ended up doing. Now, I did end up changing my greenhouse setup, and y'all will see that next week when we check back in. But I put it in the sunny window and just let it be.